Well, this is the cicada invasion. You can hear them again. Gracie and I are taking a little walk around the yard. They're really making a lot of noise. Go ahead, Beep. They're showing off in strange places underfoot. The noise is really deafening. Someone on one of the online message boards said that it was like a vuvuzela, which was that strange instrument that they played during the Olympics. Just listen, you can hear them come in waves. The stray blossom on my cherry tree. Let's walk over by the Wigelia and see what's going on over there. I need to get out into the garden and do a number of things. I have to put my bird bath out, and I need to do it, but it's so unpleasant out here because it's so hot for one thing, and we have this din that's kind of mind-bending. Well, I hope that you got a good taste of the cicadas, and I hope they're leaving you alone. There's my beautiful little lungwort, more Wigelia. Okay, take care. I'll keep you updated.